In this video, we're going to talk about one of the most commonly recommended exercises to fix hunchback posture, and we're going to look at why it doesn't work. I'm Matt Chu from Upright Health, where we help you move beyond your limitations so you can live with confidence. Be sure to check out the description box for a link to the Hunchback Fix program if you're looking for a simple, practical way to help yourself improve your posture. And while you're down there, don't forget to subscribe. When you look up hunchback posture exercises online, you'll find that there's one exercise that gets recommended all the time. And it's one that I have done all the time myself, trying to fix my hunchback posture. Now, it's not a bad exercise, but for various reasons, it doesn't actually fix your hunchback posture. So in this video, we're going to talk about the exercise itself and why people have gotten it so wrong on this hunchback posture exercise. So the exercise that everyone's always talking about is standing scapular retractions. It looks like this. You pull your shoulder blades back, your chest opens up. You relax, and you do it again. Now, when I've seen this coached on various YouTube channels, I've seen it coached in a very specific way that actually doesn't address the hunchback. So you'll just pull your shoulder blades back, and in some videos I've seen people say, well, also flare your chest up to make sure that you're fixing your hunchback. But there's a problem with this for a lot of people that makes this actually not so useful for your hunchback, and it's because it's targeting the wrong muscles and the movement is just not being coached right. So this exercise is actually not focusing on the muscles that would most directly fix your hunchback. So let's get clear about what you're trying to do when you're trying to fix hunchback posture. When you're trying to train your body out of hunchback posture, you're trying to train the muscles that run along the spine that help you get extension. When you're training the scapular retraction motion, you're training muscles between the shoulder blades that help you control the shoulder blade position. Now, that can be helpful to stabilize a better position, but it's not the most direct way of making the spinal muscles activate to improve the posture. And in fact, when you do it the way that people are coaching it online, you're actually training the wrong muscles of your spine to give you extension. So I've seen people say, just flare your ribs like this. And when you do this, most of us are actually using the low back muscles to get that extension. So if you already have a problem with hunchback posture, a lot of times you're already here and then you try to pull your shoulders back and flare your rib cage, and it's just coming from your low back instead of from these muscles up here along the thoracic and the high lumbar spine. So when you're trying to fix your hunchback, you want to be really clear about which muscles you are activating to correct the position. If you use your lumbar spinal muscles down here to give yourself spinal extension, you don't actually do anything to correct the hunchback posture that's actually up here. And in fact, if you get enough of that lumbar extension, you can make your upper back, your hunchback, look worse because you got huge amplitude curves going through your spine at that point. So if you want to see an example of how you can work with your muscles correctly and maintain better spinal position, be sure to check out the description box for a couple links to different videos for how to use your cell phone better in a better position and how to fix your hunchback posture in 3 minutes. We got a couple different examples for you so you can see exactly how you can cue the right muscles. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you're looking for more ideas, be sure to go down to the description box where we will have a link for all of our free YouTube videos about hunchback posture and a link for the Hunchback Fix, which is our paid program that's built to be simple, straightforward, and practical so that you can start fixing your hunchback posture today. If you've got questions, comments, concerns, you can leave them in the comment section down below. As always, I hope you remember that pain sucks. Life shouldn't.